I see food and I eat food. Dungeness crab, freshly caught today. This is going to be amazing, folks. You need to watch this. You really, really, really need to watch this. Home cooking with Dave, live. Crab on the beach in a wok, Asian style today. How do you do your crab? Do you like it with butter, garlic, lemon? Put it in the comments below. This is amazing, folks. We're gonna get some real crab. Woo! This is pretty rough out here today. Stay tuned and let's see how not to do Dungeness crab, because we're gonna show you the right way to cook it, the best way to cook it, right here on Cooking with Dave, outdoors. Yeah. Getting close. We're getting close, and we're going into tide change. Normally an hour before or an after the tide change is the right time to drop our traps. We're by a nice little river here, looking for about 60 feet should be fine. The water is pretty cold. Can't wait to get that crab trap down there. Let's see what we're gonna get today. Right, let's in. Getting hungry. So we've got some good bait in there, a bit of chicken, pork. There we go. See you in a couple hours. Hope my line's long enough. Don't want to lose this trap, stainless steel. There goes the trap. It's going down. Keep an eye on the shore. We don't want to be wind up on the shore. Although if that happens, it's all good. Lots of line here. Woohoo! Sinking down lead line. We don't want it in anybody's props. And we've got to put our name and phone numbers on the traps here. Here we go. Out it goes. Sink, sink, sink. Okay. Perfect. There goes the line. It's going to go down. I'm going to put a weight on it just to make it go down lower. We'll move to the next place. It's just such a beautiful day for crabbing. While our traps are sitting at 60 feet underwater, we're doing a little bit of touring here. And that's where we'll be cooking our crabs soon. Beautiful day. Summer's coming, folks. Look what we have here, folks. Do we have any crab? Oh, do we have crab? Yeah, we got a few keepers here. Fantastic. Right on. Wow, so look at that. We have some crabs. So out here in the Pacific Northwest, you have some regulations. You can't keep female crabs because you want to keep the crabbing good for generations to come. So let's have a look at which crabs we have. And I am going to use gloves because, you know what, I don't want to be bitten. Wow, look at these amazing Dungeness crabs. So they can pinch with those claws, folks, so you be careful. Oh, they've got a frisky one here. And they have to be a certain size regulation out here in the Pacific Northwest. And that's a male, as you can see there, the centerpiece. It's not round, so that is a boy, and he's of size, so I'm gonna get him in. One down. Right, next up, let's see this guy, poor girl. Man, they're frisky today, these ones. So we'll let him sit for a little bit there. Now that's a female. You can see the middle is round. So we're not allowed to keep the female because we want to have good crabbing for a long time. Bye-bye. See ya. Okay. And we have another boy. Hello, gentlemen. Here we go. Boy, for dinner tonight. And I do not want to be bitten. There we go. That one's probably a female. Looks kind of small, so let's have a look and see what. And that's a girl. Wow. Okay, you're going back, my dear. Oh, come on, yeah, you're going back. See ya. See you again one day. Bye-bye. And there she goes, back to make more crabs. And we have 2 beautiful crabs, and there are limits depending where you live. And you know what? This is enough for a wonderful dinner. We're so lucky and blessed to have this resource here in the Pacific Northwest. Right, we're heading home with our delicious Dungeness crab. But the weather's getting a little bit rough here. So the whitecaps are forming. But we'll be okay. Getting a bit of chop here, folks. We better put the pedal to the metal. What do you think? Let's do it. Oh yeah. Okay folks, we're starting our turn here to go back to the marina. So we're going to be going in between the waves, not head on. Done a bit of tacking. So here we go. I think we can increase power there, Captain. Oh yeah. Here we go. I don't want to be floating around here when these get any bigger. I'm sure we'll be fine. Gotta have confidence in your helmsman ship. Here we go. Look at that. Smooth as butter. Well, not quite, because we're not going to be using butter on these crabs tonight. Well, what do you like when you do your Dungeness crabs? Lemon, butter. Okay, so we're going to start aiming a bit more there. Got a bit of chop here in this pattern, but I think we're going to be fine. As long as you don't make any sharp turns and go airborne. Don't want to be doing that. Sea. And I do not want to be swimming because the water temperature is about 10 today. It's a little bit too chilly. So look at that, see? Perfect. I'm so hungry right now, I can eat a crab. There we go. Nice. Look at that spray we're getting here. Whoa, gotta watch what I'm doing, folks. I'm working hard. Look at that. Nice. Whoa. Whoa. There we go. That camera down, David. Okay, back in action. Always watch out for other boaters, folks. There'll be many kayakers out today when you're on the water. Okay, over and above, down. So we're gonna change direction a bit there and have some fun here. A bit of an angle. Here we go. Woo! What's for dinner, kittens? Oh, everybody likes crab. Even Mr. Pickles, don't ya? Oh yeah. What's in there? Oh, 2 beautiful Dungeness crabs. One down. Cut. So here we're cleaning out the gills, parts we don't want to eat. Beautiful crab for dinner tonight. And that's it, folks. Next up, we're gonna rinse them, and then we're gonna start cooking. Rinse these babies nice and clean. Look at that. Just perfect. Lovely. Oh, so fresh. You can smell this right now. Amazing. Now that we've cleaned our crabs, let's see how much they weigh. What do you think they weigh? In the comments below, tell me. And you might get a chance to cook with Dave. Let's see. Get the crab in the pot here. There we go. Okay, and the weight is 1.2 kilograms. That's quite a bit of crab. Wow. We're getting ready, folks. After a long, grueling day of being thrown around in choppy waters, we're getting ready to cook. we're gonna steam our delicious Pacific West Coast Dungeness crab for about 10 minutes. Look at that, doesn't it look good? We're in such a beautiful paradise spot. For heads up why we're doing Asian crab. I know people in the comments are probably going to say, well, you know, just do it with garlic and all the rest of it. We're so fortunate here on the West Coast that we eat crab quite a bit. So it's nice to have it with a little bit of flavor, just to spice it up. We have some chili, some black pepper, and I have some garlic chives that I've been growing. And of course garlic and a bit of ginger peeking out in between there. Soy sauce, hoisin sauce, pure sesame oil, and a bit of rice wine vinegar, and a bit of wine just to warm up after our long trip outside in the ocean. Right, moving along, these crabs are done. Look at that, everybody. Oh, I wish you could smell that delicious fresh seafood, freshly caught out here in the Pacific Northwest. There we go. Steamed to perfection, keeping the flavor in. Right.
Go ahead.
Right, we're going to cut up the crab into nice sort of bite-sized pieces, just so we can get the sauce on there. So we're going to cut the joints here. Look at that crab. That is huge. Hard to believe this is 1.2 kilograms of crab. That's a lot of crab. Look at that crab. Wow. Getting so hungry. It smells so good. Couldn't get fresher than this, I can tell you that much. Wow. Okay. I think that looks good. What do you think? How do you like to do your crab? Tell me in the comments below. Right, because crab is not crispy enough, we're adding our secret ingredient. We've got a bit of cornstarch here. This is going to make the sauce really stick amazingly to this Dungeness crab. Just a little bit. There we go. Just about ready to cook. Daisy's getting hungry for some crab. Aren't you, Daisy? Do you smell what's cooking? Do you smell what's cooking? Come here. Come, Daisy. Right, we're adding our avocado oil. Let's get it nice and smoking. This is going to be amazing. Going to add a bit of ginger. Oh, that sounds absolutely great. Look at that, folks. Woo! Ready to be quick on that. Hot burner. Get that flavor in oil. You can taste that now. A bit of pepper. Oh yeah. Oh. You know what? This smells absolutely amazing. And we're going to do a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, we're going to go nice and hot. Okay, we don't want it to burn. There we go. Stirring it around. Now, everybody, we're going to add our crab. So, add our crab in. Oh. Freshly caught today. Wow. Look at that. Listen to that. There we go. Look at that crab. Isn't it amazing? Wow. You can smell what I smell. We're done. Right, we're going to keep it simple tonight. Got some delicious rice here, plain. And oh, wow, what a day to get all this delicious Dungeness crab. That is going to be absolutely incredible. Oh my gosh. And you know what? Just got to have some butter, because butter's better with everything. Everything's better with butter. Wow, look at that. Right, well, I need are my crackers. And we're going to give it a bit of a crack here on this one. Let's see what happens. Oh, let's see. Listen to that, folks. Okay, we're going to do a taste test here just to see if it's any good. You know what? I'm sure it's going to be absolutely amazing. Wow. So delicious. Wow. Oh, more butter. That Asian flavor, the smoky wok hei, is incredible. Wow. Cut. Anyway.
Seafood, eat food.
Awesome. Can't get fresher than that, eh? Wow,
Let's
look at that.
check out a couple of pieces here.
Oh. Wow.
Yum.
You hear those hummingbirds in the background. They're like, oh, what's for dinner?
Oh, the flavor and the smell is amazing. Wow, this is crazy good. Wow, ooh, look at that piece.
Hey, what happened to all the crab? Where did it go? Oh my gosh, that was absolutely incredible. I'm telling you now, I've never had this good in a restaurant anywhere. So good. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.